Kikubor kibubnya. Kasoka pedeng kala menjuri ke kaipod geological jong ke sangut ki trai Dewiong jong ke jela. Naga benta ban bot renti ya ke Rukom ti Dewiong ha ke juk Mynta ha ke jela. Menteri nang bak ke jelau konrad ki sangma loong baka Ministry of Coal kala menjuri ke kaipod balapa dagi sangut ki trai Dewiong. Kita ki sangut ki trai par kila ai ya ke mining plan sya ke sorkar haswa baki nyok jingbet na ke benta ban sedang ya ke jingti Dewiong ha ke juk ke Mynta. Menteri Rangba Ong baka jela Mynta ke dangsa satang sisen jam ban sedang no ya ke jingti Dewiong Katkum ke juk start ke Mynta ha ke jela. Kasoka jela kala ujor halo ke ni ke benta sya ke Supreme Court ban yakun persya halo ke jingsya khang ban ti Dewiong ha ke National Green Tribunal ha usnam ahajar khatsau.
The geological reports of the state that have been submitted by 4 of the miners has been approved by the Government of India. Once these geological reports are approved, this is one step away from the mining license to now be given. And hence, these 4 applicants now, whose geological reports now have been approved by Government of India, will submit their mining plans as per the norms laid down by Government of Meghalaya and Government of India, and we expect that the licenses should shortly be given to these 4 miners or these 4 applicants.